This is Dave Stanton for Carbotech. Welcome to our video about the 13-inch, 330mm spiral head benchtop planer thicknesser. In no particular order, I'll list the features and benefits of the machine. The in-feed and out-feed rollers inside here work together to automatically feed the wood past the planing head. Both rollers are smooth and will not cut into the workpiece. The machine plugs into a standard 240 volt outlet. No need for a 15 amp outlet. There it is there. The depth adjustment hand wheel is used to raise and lower the cutter head assembly. The wheel has indicative markings to quickly advise you on how much material will be removed in the next pass. The depth gauge is located on the front of the machine and measures the depth of cuts up to 3mm. And even if the scale has the capacity, we recommend 0.5 millimetre for wider boards and 1.5 millimetres for narrow boards. The stepped repeat cut stop located down here on the side of the machine has preset measurements for repetitive planing. The reset button beside the switch opens the power line circuit when the motor temperature exceeds a safe level. This can happen when the motor is overloaded or even when a lower voltage condition exists. An example, but not limited to this, is when an undersized or overly long extension lead is used. The scale on top of the machine is very handy to check the thickness of a workpiece. The snipe lock firmly locks the cutter head assembly to help eliminate snipe. Snipe can also be reduced by feeding another workpiece butted up to the rear of the current workpiece in the machine. The in-feed and out-feed table extensions are attached to the machine and fold upright for easy storage. They are helpful when planing long workpieces and are also adjustable to maintain a level support. I like that. The thickness scale accurately displays the height of the cutter blades to a maximum of 152mm above the table. The dust chute can be connected to an extraction hose of either 100mm or 63mm as standard and is supplied with a plug that conveniently fits the opening not in use. The motor's cooling fan exhausts through a port over the cutting head, which greatly assists in wood chip and dust eviction from the machine. The cover over the cutter head has been designed to direct an even high-speed stream over the entire width of the head. That's where it goes in, from there, and this blows it out over the whole area. A tool storage recess with a secure door on the side of the machine keeps the hex key and the Torx screwdriver at hand when needed. Where are they? There, look at that. To reduce the possibility of the machine tipping or sliding around during use, various diameter holes down here in the base of the machine make mounting to a bench or clamping board easy. Spiral inline blades that have two cutting edges, allowing a simple blade rotation if one edge becomes dull. The machine comes standard with high-speed steel blades which are suitable for the majority of work, but if using hardwoods, we recommend fitting carbide blades. Changing the blades is a simple procedure and does not require any other tools than the supplied Torx screwdriver. They go down there.